Good morning. My name is Michael Herf with Arizona Roofers. We are the chosen contractor for Alma Mota. I'm here conducting a repair test on these damaged shingles. I will be removing this shingle right here that has obvious wind damage, and I'll be replacing it with this architectural shingle. For me to remove this, I'll have to unfasten the nails above it and the ones above that to be able to remove it in a proper manner. All right, here we go. That shingle just fell apart. Okay. All right, that shingle is removed. All right. All right, so as I was hammering the nails to fasten this shingle down, there was some creasing right here. These shingles are really brittle. Creasing right here as well. They just kind of snap, just trying to get the nail in. This shingle is already damaged, so, but it did cause creasing on all the shingles above the shingle I was trying to install. And get a closer look. These creases were not here before. For me just trying to get those nails in, it kind of snapped right at the top. Like I said, they're really stiff and brittle. Caused creasing right here, and creasing right here as well. So with that, I'd say, you know, if you try to repair any other areas of this roof, you will cause damage to the surrounding shingle. So I'd say this is a failed repair test. You will damage shingles around it trying to repair it. Failed test. Alrighty. Thank you for your time.